Hello dear students. In this video we are trying to solve a university question which was asked in November 2017. The question is this one: from the following figures calculate capital turnover ratio, fixed assets turnover ratio and working capital turnover ratio. The following are the details given. Gross profit is 20% of sales of rupees 15 lakhs. Current assets rupees 4 lakhs, current liabilities 2 lakhs, fixed assets gross 5 lakhs, depreciation rupees 1 lakh. Last day we learned how to compute turnover ratios, especially these three ratios we learned, right? So we can move to the solution of this problem. This was a paragraph question. So here I show you the first solution, the solution of the first item, capital turnover ratio. The equation is net sales divided by capital employed. Here capital employed means net capital employed, that is equal to fixed assets plus current assets minus current liabilities. So straight away you can compute it by adding working capital with the fixed assets. Okay, so here fixed assets rupees, the value of fixed asset is rupees 5 lakhs plus current assets rupees 4 lakhs minus current liabilities 2 lakhs will give you the value of capital employed. Otherwise you can go for the difference between these two, that is actually the working capital. So which is equal to 5 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. 7 lakhs, the value of capital employed. Sales is rupees 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs divided by 7 lakhs capital employed will give you the capital turnover ratio. Okay. So fixed assets turnover ratio is equal to 2.14 times. Turnover ratios are to be expressed in number of times. So what is the meaning of this ratio? 2.14 times in a year the capital is turned over into sales. That is the interpretation. Or sales is 2.14 times more than that of the capital employed. Clear now? Straight away we can move to the second ratio, that is fixed assets turnover ratio. Fixed assets turnover ratio is equal to net sales divided by net fixed assets. Here net fixed assets means fixed assets minus depreciation. So what is the value of fixed assets here? Fixed assets rupees, the value of gross fixed assets is rupees 5 lakhs. Depreciation is rupees 1 lakh. So net fixed assets means 5 lakhs minus 1 lakhs, 4 lakh rupees, right? So here the ratio is 15 lakhs net sales divided by 4 lakhs net fixed assets. Fixed assets gross 5 lakhs minus 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so the ratio is equal to 3.75 times. Okay, what is the interpretation of this ratio? How efficiently you are using your fixed assets, that is revealed by fixed assets turnover ratio. Okay, that means 3.75 times your fixed assets are turned over into net sales in a year, right? So that is fixed assets turnover ratio. And the last one is, third one is working capital turnover ratio, which is equal to net sales divided by working capital. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So here our current assets amounts to rupees 4 lakhs, current liabilities 2 lakhs, working capital is equal to 4 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, 2 lakh rupees. So here net sales rupees 15 lakhs divided by working capital 2 lakhs will give you the working capital turnover ratio, which is equal to 7.5 times. Okay, so that's all about the question. In all the turnover ratios other than creditors turnover ratio, we have sales or cost of sales as the numerator. Only the denominator is changing, right? It's okay for you. Thank you.